welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KAYLA MonéT. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back here and checking out my new video today. So I've honestly been bored all this quarantine and doing a lot of shopping, but I think this purchase is an investment because I have been wanting to do this hairstyle forever. I got a little hair crimper from Amazon. It's Bed Head Makin Waves, and it's gonna be my first time, but I'm gonna show y'all today how I'm gonna crimp my hair. I've watched other videos and it doesn't look very hard, so it should be easy to follow along, and I feel like I could do a tutorial on it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're gonna get started. These are the products that you're gonna need for today's tutorial. A brush, some hair clips, holding spray of choice. I'm gonna be using Ion Smooth Solution only because it says light flexible hold, but I've seen a lot of people using Got2b Freeze Blast. I just think it's gonna be super strong hold, and I kind of want my hair to be soft to touch, but use what you want to use. A mousse at the end to just smooth my top, and a hot comb. Of course, you're gonna need the hair crimper. These are all the things you'll need, so let's get started. So first I'm going to be starting off by sectioning off my hair, taking a small piece. I'm going to mist it with my holding spray of choice, brush it out, and then I will begin to crimp starting from the root. The key is to hold the crimper on your hair for at least 15 to 20 seconds to get the desired look we're going for. Okay, so that holding spray was not working for me, so in a little bit I'm gonna show y'all that I switched midway because the results wasn't giving the look I was going for. So it's coming out okay. I think what I'm about to do, change, I know what I said earlier, disregard, I know that's fake, whatever, but I'm gonna change to this spray and I'm gonna see if the results change because it's coming out okay, but I want it to be like wavier. Maybe I'm not holding it long enough, but we're gonna see. I'll be back. I like using it with Got2b spray better, so I'm gonna do the rest and I'm gonna come back when I do the top. I feel like I didn't explain it to y'all good enough, so I'm back, you know, because I want to help y'all out. I feel like I had to learn techniques, but what I'm doing, I'm gonna take small sections is key for the look I'm going for. So I take a section about this big, I'm gonna section this part up like so, okay? And then we're gonna brush it out, this section right here. And then what I do is I take the Got2b, don't spray a lot, we just want a light coat, okay? We're just want a light coat, we're misting. Spray it like so. Make sure your crimper is on high root and hold. The key is to hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. I lost count, but I think that's been enough. So what I do, I take it, push it up, and then clamp down again. The key is as you keep going down to push it up to give it like the crinkle effect, like, you know, like a little crinkle fry. So you're just gonna keep doing that. And one thing I have learned while doing this, it is time consuming. This is not no straightening or curling hair, okay? To get the desired look you want, you gotta take some time, honey. And yeah, so yeah, that's all I'm doing. It's pretty repetitive, that's why I left and came back, but I just wanted to show y'all in real time the process and how long it takes me to get it. Go. And you want to make sure you go all the way down to your ends. Don't forget about the ends, honey. You gotta get the ends in there too. And ends. Gonna push up. Voila! This is what it looks like so far. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my head, and now I'm gonna come back at the top. So I'm back, and I just wanted to show y'all I'm done one side. I want to see the results so far. I don't want to touch it a lot until the end. And yeah, so I'm about to get started on the second side. I am back, and I just wanted to show y'all how I do the top. I have my hot comb, so basically what I'm gonna do is just, because I'm a perfectionist, I just like this style, so I'm gonna just bump it a little, like so. Give it a little bump. Yeah, just put it on top, and you can put a little styling mousse if you want. I'll just put a little. I don't want it too hard. And just smooth that down because we want it on flat. We want it on scalp and flat. Okay. And a little, I have the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleep Serum. It's just anti-frizz. I'm gonna put a little, like so. And just put it on top and rake it through, just to give it a nice little shine. And just kind of fluff it out. This is the finished look. I love the results. I love the way it came out for my first time. I think I did good. If you agree, you know, in the comments. But yeah, this is definitely a little summertime look. It's definitely giving day party vibes and just beachy vibes, and I love it. My first tutorial, so I hope it was easy to follow along. If not, just leave any questions you have down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you all next time. Bye.